What's up? So here is all the news and updates in Clash of Clans. Today, March 8th, 2023. So, I haven't done a video in a few months, but I'm going to be back into it. And today, March 8th, is celebrated because it's Women's Day. Celebrate women. Alright, so we have Color Fest wallpaper that was 6 days ago. And the new account protection, I will show you guys how to do it. And then February rewards, which that already happened, so it's not relevant. But that new account protection can save your account from being stolen. So I will show that at the end of the video. The events, I haven't 3-starred this challenge yet, but I will get to it. Painter's Queen Hero Skin, 9 days, 14 hours to go buy the Queen. And then you got all these challenges, which you still have 3 hours and 14 hours. 3 days, 14 hours. So there you go. Now the next one, 23 days until the new season, until this season ends. Clan War Leagues is finishing up, 2 days left. Painter King Hero Skin, 2 days left by the time this released. Queen and Champion boosts, 1 gem each, 3 days. Raid weekend is starting a day. So that's about it. So now let me show you how to do the new account protection. So you go to settings, go to where it says connected. You should have your Supercell ID connected. So press connected, and then press up here, like the top right above the profile picture, the settings, and then go down, and then where it shows account protection, you just press that, activate it. You'll put in your email, and you'll put your password in, and it will give you a code from your email, and you just put it in, and then it's protected. Alright, I'll see you guys in a couple of days.